Yes, Bete, as you can see, this is your 13th chapter, the Malgudi Cricket Club. We're going to study this 13th chapter, and this video is for grade 6th, right? So this chapter basically is written by R.K. Narayan, and it's all about Swami and his friends. Let's start. As you can see, we have started the chapter, and it's on page number 108 in your new Esther. Let's start. In this chapter, we're going to read that the three of the friends, one is Swaminathan, other is Mani, and third one is Rajan. Three of them, thought of to make of their own cricket team, and what are the consequences, what work they do. It is all about their description. Let's start it out. A group of enthusiastic schoolboys in the idyllic little town of Malgudi in British India plan to start their own cricket club. So what we are going to read about? We are going to read about this. Enthusiastic schoolboys. So it's a story of schoolboys. Three schoolboys we are going to discuss in this story, and they are enthusiastic, means they are very full of strength, power, josh se bhare hue, right? Full of zeal and zest. And in the idyllic little town of Malgudi in British India, right? Idyllic means peaceful and very happy town of Malgudi. It is a fictional place to be in Chennai, present Chennai, and earlier it was to be called as Madras. So it is a story actually based upon the three school-going boys, right? And it is a time when British people were having rule over India, right? So let's start it out. After making his exit from Albert Mission School in a theatrical manner on the day following the strike, Swaminathan became so consistently stubborn that a few days later his father took him to the board school and admitted him there. So what has happened, what we're going to read in this paragraph here, Swaminathan actually is being talked about, right? And he was a student of Albert Mission School, but his father, because Swaminathan, who is a schoolboy, is used to take the part in the strikes or protest. What kind of protest they were? Protest against the British rule. उस समय की बात है बेटा, जब हम अंग्रेजों के राज के अंडर थे, ठीक है ना? We were the control of Britishers, and people, it was common that people of India were taking part in some kind of protest and strikes. So this was being also done by Swaminathan at that time, and this was not liked by his father, and that is the reason early he was reading in Albert Mission School, and from there his name was cut off, and he's been admitted to a new board school. Okay, this was written over here. So he was not feeling good in a new school, and he was not having some friends over there. He was missing his earlier school, that is Albert Mission School, where he was having his close friends, that is Rajam and Mani. So we are going to read it in detail now. Let's read it out. At first, Swaminathan was rather uncertain of his happiness in the new school. So he was not so happy, but he excited the curiosity that all newcomers do, and found himself to his great satisfaction in the center of attraction in second C. So he was center of attraction, means Swaminathan, because in any of the class, if you find a newcomer, so people gather around, all the students gather around that particular person only. So this was being happened with Swaminathan also. So what has happened next? All his new classmates, remarkably new faces, often clustered around him to see, means gather together. Clustered means come together. So they want to see him, they want some kind of talking to be heard from him. So he had not yet picked the few, but he would have liked to call his chums. Means उनको उसने friends नहीं बनाए थे, but उनको वो अपने कुछ जो उसके close friends हैं उनको वो कह सकता है. He still believed that his Albert School set was intact, means that was so complete and undamaged, and set was a group, मतलब जो उसका वहाँ पे group था, that was complete, all complete. Since the reopening in the June, the set was not what it had been before. Only Rajam and Mani were still intact as far as Swaminathan was concerned. So these two boys, Rajam and Mani, were only connected with Swaminathan from the old school. So Mani saw him every day. Mani तो Swaminathan को रोज मिल लेता था, but Rajam had not spoken to him since the day his political doings became known. Political doings over here means that when Rajam came to know that Swaminathan used to take part in protest on strikes. So from that very time, Rajam has not talked with Swaminathan. So one day what happened? And now this afternoon, Swaminathan was sitting in a dark corner of the house trying to make a camera with a cardboard box and a spectacle lens. What happened? So now here the story starts. So what we found Swaminathan sitting in his room, which is dark, right? And he's trying to make a camera with the cardboard box and using a spectacle lens. So what happens? The hole which was being cut off from that box was too big that can fix a lens. So he was in that quandary, right? So what happens? So he was losing his temper, he was becoming angry, and what happened? There he heard a familiar voice. एक familiar voice उसको सुनाई देती है, and who came? Rajam came. So what happened? Rajam asked, "What is in your hand?" He says, "Nothing," giving him the box. तो राजम उसको बोलता है कि I have forgiving you. I'm forgiving you for whatever you have done in your past. So would you like to be my friend as we were in the past? So Rajam also added that we are going to make a cricket team of our own. तो राजम कहता है उस पर कि तुम प्ले करना चाहोगे क्रिकेट. सो यहाँ पे स्वामीनाथन कहते हैं कि नो, आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्ले इट, राइट. सो दिस वाज वेरी प्लीजिंग टू हियर. प्रोबेबली होप्स टू वाज शाय एंड स्केप्टिकल बिफोर ही टुक द बैट एंड स्वंग इट. सो हॉब्स यहाँ पे बेटे क्या है? हॉब्स जैक हॉब्स का है, जो कि रिनाउंड इंग्लिश क्रिकेटर रह चुके हैं. ठीक है, फेमस इंग्लिश क्रिकेटर रह चुके हैं. 20th सेंचुरी की बात हो रही है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन हाउ द स्टोरी हैज़ बीन सेट, राइट. तो वो कहते हैं तो जो फेमस क्रिकेटर थे जैक हॉब्स, उनको भी खेलना नहीं आता था. वो भी पहले शाय, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा शर्मीले थे. एंड स्केप्टिकल मीन्स डाउटफुल दैट ही माइट नॉट डू इट. सो लेकिन वो भी बहुत फेमस फिर बैट्समैन बने. थैंक यू.